People may have lived their entire lives thinking, I don't need help. I don't need nonprofit services. And now those same people are finding themselves struggling to make ends meet in light of COVID.
We've seen a significant increase in the number of people who are reaching out who have never reached out before.
Help with their rent, their fuel, and by far the most important one was their food insecurity needs.
We thought we knew the need before COVID-19 and we didn't.
This isn't about life choices or poverty or any of those other notions that we might have.
Over the past few months, thousands of people in our community lost their jobs overnight, and that is when our nonprofit program stepped up.
Snow Pond Center for the Arts opened our commercial kitchen for takeout food and worked with all of our community partners to develop a Buy a Meal, Give a Meal program.
We have served over 600 meals to community organizations like the South End Teen Center in Waterville and the Boys and Girls Club Teen Center in Augusta.
We shut down all of our services to keep kids safe, to keep families safe, but immediately pivoted in a week's time to providing childcare to Maine general health professionals, DHHS essential staff, and CDC essential staff.
We were serving over 800 people agency-wide. We're now serving over 1,700 people.
At this point, we've served 26,000 meals to local teens.
So many families and children at home at this time, we thought a great way to support them would be to create some online videos. So we create these step-by-step videos that sort of show families how they can introduce educational activities to their children using really common household items or things that they already have around the house.
We have been offering emergency dental care following the Centers for Disease Control guidelines as well as the Maine Dental Association guidelines. This will help keep people out of the emergency room so that the people that have more urgent care can be seen at our area hospitals.
In the beginning of May, we ended up repurposing our farm stand, opening it early, and stocking it with essential grocery items, nutritious, canned, non-perishable food, and products such as diapers and toilet paper, hand soap, cleansers, disinfectants.
Right now, organizations that serve people every day are finding themselves under-resourced to meet the growing demand for services in our community.
The COVID virus has impacted the Children's Center dramatically, financially, programmatically, obviously our staff, but in particular for kids that have special needs. Not only have they lost that opportunity to catch up, but they've regressed in almost every case. That's why now more than ever, the Children's Center needs the help of our community.
Faith Food Pantry operates out of Gardner, Maine. More people are unable to get to a grocery store or a drugstore. Without a food pantry, these people would go hungry. It is important, more important than ever, to be here to help those in need.
KVCAP has provided essential, vital services to people in the Kennebec Valley region for 55 years. If we ceased to exist, there would be a huge hole in the safety net for the people in need. For example, the loss of transportation services would create a massive barrier for the scores of people that rely on us every day to get to work, to get to medical appointments, and to access local businesses.
Our efforts at Literacy Volunteers are to help individuals with their reading skills so that they can get their high school diploma, they can gain citizenship, they can boost their literacy skills so that they are able to be more independent, self-sufficient.
You know, you get to use your skills to help another person gain skills, and you create a connection with another human being, and there's nothing better than that in my opinion.
We thought that now was more important than ever to step up and co-chair the United Way campaign because Sarah and I have lived here our entire lives. We grew up here, we went to school here, and now we work here. And we've been involved with the community for a few years now, and we thought that this was the best way for us to give back. The United Way has been a trusted organization for over 65 years that uses your money and your donations wisely and strategically across the Kennebec Valley.
United Way makes it easy for everyone to donate to them by using payroll deductions. It's really important to give to United Way directly because they allocate the money they receive to vetted programs across the community that are most in need.
And that's where every person in this community has a chance to step up, stand behind these causes that we care so much about, and support the good work that's being done here to make sure that it continues long into the future.
I know that the people that get the meals really appreciate them. We get a lot of comments back from them. Some of them only get that one meal a day and that one contract.